guys, welcome back to Palette Therapy. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Keela. Hey, if not, thank you for the support. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I got this nice and simple makeup look. This is my take on the clean girl makeup look. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe, join the tribe. We're a happy bunch over here and we would love to have you. Now, let's get into this look. Okay, y'all, so in today's video, I am going to be doing my version on the clean girl makeup look. So for me, the clean girl makeup look is just like a simple, basic, pretty look that, you know, like, hey, I have makeup on, but it's subtle. Like, maybe, does she have makeup on? Does she not have makeup on? That is what the clean girl makeup look is to me. So that is the type of look that we are going to be trying to achieve today. So first, I'm going to go in with my E.L.F. Glow Primer Stick. You guys have seen this on the channel. While that is setting in my face, I'm going to take this eyebrow pencil I got from the hair store. It's Kiss New York Professional Fine Precision Brow Pencil. And I am just going to fill in my brows where they look a little scarce. I'm not going to make them all sharp like I normally do in the other videos, because again, we want this to be a clean, natural makeup look. And that's what we're going to try to achieve. So first, I just like to fill in my tail, then I go in and fill in the front of my eyebrows. So on the front right here, I like to mimic eyebrow hairs because I don't really have that many there. So that's what you see me doing when you see me flicking the brush up. I'm gonna go and do the same thing for this brow as well. Okay, now that my brows are done, they're not really even, but that's okay. We'll worry about that later. We're gonna go ahead and jump into foundation. So I went to Cancun not too long ago. There will be a vlog coming out about that. And I got a little tan, so I'm a little darker than I normally am. So I'm gonna go in with my Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and I am going to use it on my face.
Your friends chilling day and night for days on end. Now you can't come see me tonight. Say you ain't got the time. I'm the last one you prioritize. Peeping your IG pictures on my phone. I won't spend another night at home. Okay, I'ma just be on my way. You'll see I'm not the one you take for granted, babe. I know that life can be busy, love.
Take the Too Faced Born This Way Sculpted Concealer and just gonna conceal the under eyes a little bit. Just a little bit. And I'm gonna put some just on the bridge of my nose as well. I'm gonna take my Beauty Blender or my Real Technique sponge. Beauty Blender is actually a brand, and I don't have one of those, but I have my Real Technique sponge. So I'm gonna take my sponge and we're gonna blend that concealer out.
I know that life can be
take my Wet n Wild powder and I'm just gonna set my under eye.
With your heart and your attention, where's the kind of love that I used to know? If you want me the way I want you, put your all into all that you do. It's only right.
And I'm gonna take a little more of that concealer to kind of prime my lids. Now we're not gonna do anything dramatic on the lids. We're just gonna put one of our simple eyeshadows on it, basically. Just a plain color brown eyeshadow to go on top of this concealer. This brown shade that we normally use to sculpt with, I am going to do my eyes with.
One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing.
Okay, so we're gonna take this same shade, this brown shade, and we're going to contour the nose a little bit. And I like to drag my contour into my eye socket area. I don't know what you call that.
I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me?
Okay, so I am going to bronze. We're going to skip contouring today on the cheeks. We're just going to bronze because, again, we're going for a clean, subtle makeup look. So we're just going to bronze. I'm going to take the Too Faced Sun Bunny and just hit my jawline.
Getting nowhere, yeah. If winter blows here, baby, I fear we gon' disappear.
Okay, we're going to take some blush. And that is going to be the Beauty Bakerie Better Not Bitter Coffee and Cocoa. And I'm going to put some blush on my cheeks. I'm going to use these two shades here.
Take for you to love me. What's it gonna take for you to show? Take for you to show feel.
Okay, the face is coming together. I like it. I like it. I'm going to go in with my CoverGirl Full Spectrum foundation, and I am going to set the rest of my face. Okay, so here you could go in with mascara and just put mascara on, or you can put lashes on. I am going to put my false lashes on, my falsies on. These are the Kiss Lush Extensions in Royal Silk. They just give you like a little lifted look, but it still keeps it simple. Like I said, you could just go in with mascara here and, you know, call it a day. But y'all know how I'm about my lashes, so we're gonna go ahead and throw those on. So I actually like to put my lash glue on first. I used to use clear lash glue, but I use black now because it's almost like using a liquid liner, and it makes your lashes look more natural. By the way, I do have a eyelash tutorial out if you are interested in learning how to put falsies on. And there we have it. Got our lashes on now. Okay, so then I am going to take some liquid liner and bring my moles back on my face.
Your phone up. Why you messing my head up?
And then, see, this is so cute. I want my nose to be a little more pink. Okay, I'm dropping stuff. But I want my nose to be a little bit more pink, so I'm gonna take just a dab of this blush and just dab it on my nose. We're not gonna go in with highlighter today, because again, we're keeping it simple. So the blush is gonna do the job for both.
And I have to know, say.
Now we need to set our face. I'm gonna use this Morphe Continuous Setting Mist in Sweet Peach. I don't think they have this anymore, actually. They do still have the setting mist. They have it in the black can and the white can, but I don't think they have the peach smell anymore.
And the last night was heavy. I need communication.
I love the smell of peaches, y'all. Okay, so I'm gonna take my sponge this end. I'm just gonna push all of that in. And I like to push mine in because I feel like it locks the makeup in place. Some people fan theirs till it dry. I just, like I said, I just take my sponge and push it in. I don't feel like we need highlighter. I feel like this is good. Okay, so let's move on to lips. Lips, we are going in with this NYX pencil, lip liner pencil. I cannot tell what color it is. It says 501. Earth tone, 823 earth tone, found it. And we're gonna line the lips.
Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is you saying yeah, yeah.
And we're gonna rub our lips together. And it just adds like a nice little brown shade to the earth tone like it said. And I'm gonna take the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in hot chocolate, yes. Because we are, you know, keeping it subtle. We're just doing lip gloss, we're not doing lipstick. But this is a nice little brown color. And we're gonna just plop that on there.
Don't be so hard to reach. Just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, 'cause I gotta know.
Okay guys, this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I definitely did. I feel like it's a very subtle makeup look. It's very clean, it's very chic, you know, it's I'm here but I'm not here. You get a nice little glow without all the extras. So I really do like it. I love doing makeup looks like this. If you've been watching my videos, then you know I try to stay in the natural family as far as makeup videos go. I like to keep it simple, and I feel like this falls right in that category. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, leave me a brown heart if you did watch this video incomplete. As always, thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you for supporting the channel. If you hadn't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? You don't want to miss this content. So with that being said, again, thank you guys for watching my videos, and I will catch you in my next one. Peace.